Welcome to our video on how to integrate online payment solutions into your e-commerce website. In today's digital age, enabling online payments is essential for any successful e-commerce business. By offering secure and convenient payment options, you can enhance your customer satisfaction and boost your revenue. We will guide you through the process of integrating online payment solutions into your e-commerce website, ensuring a seamless and efficient payment experience for your customers. So, let's get started. Choosing the right online payment solution. The first step in integrating online payment solutions is selecting the right provider for your e-commerce website. There are numerous options available, ranging from popular platforms like PayPal and Stripe to specialized solutions. Consider factors such as transaction fees, security features, available payment methods, and compatibility with your website platform. Once you decide on the best payment solution for your business, move on to the next step. Setting up your online merchant account. After choosing the online payment solution, the next step is to set up your online merchant account. This process typically involves providing your business details, verifying your identity, and agreeing to the terms and conditions of the payment service provider. Most payment solution providers offer a straightforward registration process, and you'll need to follow their instructions to complete the merchant account setup. Integrating Payment Gateway with your website. A payment gateway acts as the bridge between your e-commerce website and the online payment solution. Integrating the payment gateway is crucial to enable secure transactions on your website. Depending on your website platform, there may be various methods to integrate the payment gateway, such as plugins, APIs, or SDKs. Follow the guidelines provided by your chosen payment solution to seamlessly integrate the payment gateway with your website. Designing an intuitive checkout process. A smooth and intuitive checkout process is essential to ensure your customers complete their purchases without any hassle. Customize the appearance of the checkout page to align with your website's branding, keeping it clean, user-friendly, and responsive. Simplify the steps required to make a purchase and offer multiple payment options to cater to a broader range of customers. The checkout process should be seamless, secure, and quick, instilling trust and confidence in your customers. Testing and securing your payment integration. Before making your online payment solution live on your e-commerce website, thorough testing is crucial. Make test purchases using different payment methods to ensure the transactions go smoothly. It's vital to check if your payment integration is secure and complies with industry standards to safeguard your customers' sensitive information. Implement additional security measures, such as SSL certificates, to enhance the overall security of your e-commerce website. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to integrate online payment solutions into your e-commerce website. By offering a seamless and secure payment experience, you are one step closer to increasing customer satisfaction and driving your e-commerce business's growth. Remember to choose the right payment solution, set up your merchant account, integrate the payment gateway, design an intuitive checkout process, and thoroughly test and secure your payment integration. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your online business.